Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia music, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, so let's tap. Here we have to scroll and find the countdown duration, and in this device we've got 3 options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Let's simply tap on the option like to use. As you can see, it will change here. So now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, of course you can turn this option off just by entering the settings, entering the countdown duration and tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.